So the opportunity for Syncona is very significant in front of us. We sit at the forefront of medical innovation. We have a structure and a capital base that allows us to take a long-term and an ambitious view in backing those companies. And we have an exceptional team which has worked together for many years and to which we are consistently adding high quality and experienced people to stretch that team and add to its capability. Our strategy is to build a sustainable portfolio of 15 to 20 companies and over a rolling 10-year basis deliver 2 or 3 of those companies all the way through to approved product, which is where we think the returns really are optimized in commercializing life science. And central to that approach, of course, is clinical development, successful clinical development. And we've started to see some of the fruits of that. We would expect to see that continue through the next year. So we've seen, for example, Autolus will be enrolling its pivotal study in this Auto1 program. We would expect to see a decision on the nomination of Auto3 in DLBCL in the second half of this year. We'd expect to see more data from Freeline as they work through the dose optimization of their technology, and we would expect to be dosing more patients in the Fabry program. We would expect to see the AMD data from Gyroscope's phase 1/2 study, and we're excited to see the performance of Achilles' cell therapy in both non-small cell lung cancer and in melanoma. So we think there's a pipeline of data to come. And when we look at the companies even further, the earlier stage companies, many of them have made great progress last year, calling out Anaveon, for example, exciting company with a selective IL-2 agonist that we would expect to be moving into the clinic over the next year or so. And likewise, Quell, a very innovative cell therapy company in the autoimmune space, will have nominated their candidate and would expect to move into the clinic again over the next year or so. So we think we're making strong progress at the level of individual companies consistent with the overall strategic goals. The business is well positioned and well financed, and we've got a strong and proven team that can deliver the strategy.